Well, Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays from Art with Albright. This is Emily. I'm excited. Snoopy! Yay! Another Snoopy adventure. We love drawing dogs in my classes and painting dogs. Whoa, have you tried those lessons? Those are a lot of fun. Let's see. Today's lesson, you need white paper because Snoopy is white and we're not going to color him all day, okay? Pencil, eraser, markers or crayons, okay, to add some color, or colored pencils. There we go. Crayons, colored pencils, markers, anything with color. Let's see, and a black felt tip pen. So these are the only extras I need other than my pencil today. Oh, here we go. Mike wants to say, thumbs up. Good job. You are here to have some fun. He looks like a light bulb on my tree. I mean, on my, that, okay. Anyway, I'm silly. Let's go. You ready to have some fun? Are you ready to have some fun? Let's do this. So let's see. Snoopy can go anywhere on your paper. You can have it horizontal or vertical, whatever makes you happy. Sorry, my frog throat. It got cold here in Houston and we have lots of foster puppies. So I was outside in the cold, taking them for a potty break, when I come in and I've got this horsey voice. So pardon me, I ask for your forgiveness. Okay, are you ready? Are you ready? You got all your supplies? Awesome. I'm going to give you a thumbs up for that. Thumbs up. You are awesome. Pokemon Pikachu. Who is this? I know you guys laugh because I never remember his name. Pikachu. He is fun to draw. We draw him all the time. Okay, all my lessons, keepdrawing.com. You got it. That's where they're located. And we do have a lot of fun. Let's start with the head. The head is a nice circle. Okay, let's have a nice circle at the top. I'm going to draw darker than you. You draw as light as you can. Okay, because we're gonna just go over this and add the felt tip pen to make all this dark black line. Okay, you got it? You ready? Now, in the front of Snoopy is nose, his muzzle. So let's overlap a smaller circle. So now we've got the head, we've got the nose, and then over here, we want the big letter U. Just a big letter U right there. Boom. Now, what we need to do is erase anything where there's overlapping. So the ear is on the head, and we can't see the nose and the head connecting. Okay, there's no line. So now do you see that we have this head going on? How easy was that? That was so easy. But this Snoopy, I say that and then I say but, we have a Santa hat on. So let's put a nice line across the head and get rid of the top of the head because we can't see it. Okay, I know he's got a top of the head, but we can't see it. And let's curve this around this way and curve it around this way and connect it at the top. We'll add all those cute little fluffy curves later. Okay, you got it? And the top of the hat, his head is in there and the top of the hat is flopped over. So let's add a couple of bumps here and then curve it down the back of the head. See how we did that? Pull this red from the bottom of the hat and then let's put a big circle ball here. Ta-da! Okay, we're making this way too easy. Do you need a challenge? Or are you just having fun? Are you having fun? Okay, good. Because we love to have fun at Art with Albright. You know it. And we love to draw crazy, crazy food. Do you guys like to draw crazy food? We've done these in past classes. And we've had so much fun drawing snow people, and Olaf. And elf on the North Pole. Oh my goodness, how much snow can we draw? That is so much fun. Oh yeah, and I know, not everybody's favorite, but he's becoming mine. Not as much as Pusheen though. Pusheen is my absolute favorite toy. You know it, don't you know it? And of course, draw it, paint it, create it, pop up with it. That's what we do. We have a lot of fun. We do have a lot of fun in our live classes. So check it out. Check it out. You get it? You got everything? Okay. Now, notice the eyes. He's looking this direction. Maybe he's looking at, let's see here, Pusheen cooking some bread. You think he's looking at Pusheen cooking some bread? Or maybe he's looking at the ornament dudes hanging on the tree way over here. Whoa. I think that's what he's looking at. So we want one eye up here, the oval eyes. Let's do oval. And then coming down, slope it down. Okay, don't be hard on yourself. Take your time. Slope it down. This one is larger because it is closer. This one's smaller because it's further away. Is my camera being obnoxious? There we go. You got it? So angle these down and then do the same with the nose. Follow through with your angles, okay? The nose is an oval. Notice I put a straight line here to get my angle, and then I drew an oval around it. You got it? Awesome. Always pause if you need a little more time to perfect your doggy, or just, you know, add extras. I mean, goodness, add extras. Now here we want to slope this. We don't want to have that big dip. So grab this, slope it, pull it up here. We're going to drop this down. And he's got something in his mouth. So straighten this line out here and pull it down just a bit, just a bit. Let's go ahead and erase any extra lines. Any extra lines need to go away. Any extra lines. There we go. Now the mouth, let's go drop under the eye. We're going to curve this down. Now we've got it. Do you see how easy that was? You and I doing this step by step. Score! You guys are so awesome. You are awesome sauce. Yes. Now let's draw a candy cane in the mouth. Okay, right here. So I'm going to pull the candy cane down and make the little hook on it, and then pull the other part out this direction. You got that? You got it? Good. Now we don't want too much of this candy cane showing. So we're going to come this direction, bring it in, and then this direction. Oh goodness, I made my candy cane way too big. I must be hungry. I'm going to come this direction, and I'm going to make this one smaller. I don't know. I think Snoopy just needed a giant candy cane, right? I know, that was silly. So make your candy cane however you want. I mean, if you want a giant candy cane, there's no problem with that. And then come in and make your curved stripes coming down so that you got some, remember to color them, okay? It's good to put in some details now so you remember to color them. Good. My ear, I want it a little wider than what we have. So let's pull this one down and pull it up right here. Okay. I just want my ear just a little bit bigger. You good with everything so far? Yeah, it's messing with me that we're not coloring in the eyes, but we'll work on it. So let's pull down the neck right underneath that mouth. Pull down the neck here and here. You see how I did that? Just two little lines. Then let's add the collar. We're going to connect it behind my candy cane. My candy cane is big. So wherever your candy cane is, that's where you need to work around it. See, this one I came out further. This one I made a little shorter. That's okay. That works. Now underneath here, his body, he's kind of crumpled up. So let's just make a nice curve here. I'm going to put his paw or his hand right here. So put a nice flat oval, just so we know where the hand is. And let's curve the arm because the arm is bent down. Good so far. Now erase the wrist connection. Now watch what I'm going to do. I'm going to come out here and curve like a little letter J right there. Tuck the J in there. Good. Then we're going to come down and do 3 little fingers. I know doggies don't really have fingers, but they have little paw toes, right? They have toes. That's what they are. And back here, we've got a spot. So I'm going to put a little bit of a curve here. Tail, let's go from the bottom up and then pull it back in. Bottom up, then pull it back in. And there's a little spot here. So just add that little detail so we can make sure to get that. Let's see, the foot, we're going to come right here and we're going to curve up. We want to give some shape to the leg, right? And then I want to put like a big curve right here. You see that? It's like a backward letter C. And his little toes curve in and go up and then in. Okay, go up and then in. Totally awesome. Look at you. You're rocking this. And then the little leg. There we go. Ba-boom. You did it. You did it. Your hot sauce or applesauce. Which one do you like? Hot sauce or applesauce? My daughter likes applesauce. My son likes hot sauce. And my middle child, she doesn't like any sauce. Oh, she likes ranch. There you go. Any ranch lovers here? She puts ranch on everything. Everything. Now, the back arm, we're just going to tuck back here. Just tuck that back there. And the back foot is coming out differently, okay? The paws are kind of curved toward each other. So let's go ahead and put an oval right here, smaller than the foot in front. Why? Objects that are closer are larger. Good job. Look at you learning so much. Now let's curve this foot over and tuck it in. And we can only see this toe and this toe. The one on the other side, can't really see. Oh my goodness. I think we did it. That was super easy, super fun. Let's go up here and add the texture real quick to our cool little hat. And let's add some fun to this right here, making sure we've got all the elements we need before we go and add color. You guys are so cool. Look at you. Okay, I'm going to grab my felt tip marker. I'm going to come in and start just outlining the whole doggy. Now this, I'm just going to go back and forth, or actually up and down, up and down, up and down, creating that dark spot on his ear. The eyes I'm going to outline and then put a little reflective spot in there and then color it in. Okay, make sure your reflective spot is larger than you really want it because your marker or your pen is going to take up a lot of that space. Okay, let's do the nose as well. Let's put a reflective spot in the nose as well. There you go. Look at you. Super easy. Super, super, super fun. You guys are awesome. Watch out. Have you done the Snoopy on the doghouse? He was putting lights on the doghouse and got so tired that he fell asleep. And he was just holding on to the last bit of lights because he forgot an extra nail. Can you believe it? Do you ever start a project and you forget something? Do you quit? No, we don't quit. We finish our projects, right? We finish our projects. We love to have a little bit of a challenge and put forth all that energy and effort, right? You guys are so awesome. I'm going to pull this down. Okay, let's see here. Before I color, I'm going to go around with my eraser and erase any extra lines that I don't want on there, okay? If I'm going a little faster than you, it's okay. You can just go at your own pace. You can pause if you need, okay? There's always that pause button. There's always that opportunity to add extra things to our Snoopy. Where is his buddy? What is his buddy's name? Do you remember? Woodstock. Thank you. I knew you were going to help me on that. So I knew you were going to help me. I'm going to grab my eraser and I'm just going to go over the whole thing now and just erase any extra lines before we add some super duper color. Now, where is Mr. Snoopy hanging out these days? Is he oh yeah, he was in the kitchen watching Pusheen bake. Maybe he's sitting next to the Christmas tree. You want to draw a Christmas tree? Oh, maybe he's in front of the fireplace. Do you have a fireplace? I don't have a fireplace, but I know you in the up north Tola, you have a fireplace, I'm sure. And let's see here, who else is in the north enjoying some snow and fireplace? So I did the red on the candy cane. I did the black spots. I'm going to go back with my black colored pencil and add some shading like under the eyes, around the nose, around the ear. I'm just adding a couple of little cast shadows. That way, little Snoopy, I was going to call him Snowman. Snoopy, maybe he's outside looking at a snowman, or he's in the window looking at a snowman. Oh my goodness, the things we can do. Wow. Add a couple of places that I want some more realistic depth. So make sure you look anywhere opposite my light source, anywhere there's overlapping over here. There's overlapping. Let's add some shading over here. So this is fun to do on white paper. That way you can add some of these 3D elements, okay? Now let's add a little anchor shadow. You got to anchor him to the ground. He's not just floating in space, is he? No. I think he's sitting in front of the Christmas tree. That's it. I think he is. And he ate a candy cane off of it. We had some ornament dudes, and they were arguing because one dude ate all the candy canes on the Christmas tree. Which dude do you think did it? The one they're looking at, maybe? My minion's laughing. Dory even thinks that's funny. That's so funny. You guys are hilarious. You're hilarious. Oh my goodness. Well, what does every amazing artist do before they complete their project? I mean, when they're finished with their project, they sign it. You guys are awesome. Thank you for drawing with me on your holiday. You guys stay safe. God bless, and I'll see you in the next class.